Vegwatch is a citizen science program established in 2012 by scientists and community volunteers to establish a database and produce a consistent and robust methodology to monitor the vegetation of the region of the Australian Capital Territory and surrounding New South Wales. Every spring, Vegwatch volunteers collect information on vegetation trends to put into a database, converting the information into simple reports that are then used by governments, researchers and community groups for more targeted and efficient research, planning and land management practices. An important attribute of Vegwatch is its ability to encourage community stewardship of important vegetation communities such as lowland grasslands and boxgum grassy woodlands. Those communities are valued for protection of habitat and for preserving the diversity of plants and animals, but are increasingly threatened by the continuing sprawl and densification of urban development. Here is Sarah Sharp, who is a plant ecologist, talking about her work using Vegwatch to monitor the habitat that is home to the endangered species commonly called the button wrinklewort. Sarah, with support from the Molonglo Catchment Group, has been a key driver behind the Vegwatch program since its inception.
Before I think the project began here, there was very little interest in or even understanding or knowledge that we had the endangered big button wrinklewort present. We have about 80 plants here, but what's important is it extends over into the area next door, the Stirling Park woodland. So I think the land managers have become more aware. We have an opportunity to open up the ground around the button wrinklewort, take out the woody weeds and extend it, and I'm expecting that it will continue or it will thrive here. So it'll do better than it was. There's a couple of rare species here, no other threatened species, although I am certain that there are threatened birds that utilise this site. I have no doubt about that, but we have a couple of rare species. There's a little burr daisy, they're all little things, little burr daisy, a tiny little yellow flower. There's a dianella here that's fairly rare in the area, but in fact the woodland itself is a critically endangered community, so really it's the habitat here that's so important for such a range of species.